Well, with a little bit of silly season news starting early, Justin Cooper, who a couple weeks ago did say he had a deal set for the 2024 season, is going to be staying with the only team he's ever known with Star Racing Yamaha, saying, quote, "I'm super excited to sign the 450 deal with Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha. We've had an awesome 6 years on the 250, and I think that success should transition quite nicely to the 450 class. I'm also super excited to start this next chapter of my career. It's nice to know that we have a team behind us that knows me and what I like on the bike to make that transition easier and carry over to the success we've built on the 250 over to the 450 class. I feel like I'm in a good spot going to the next season to be able to make my full 450 debut with a crew that I'm comfortable with and that I trust. It's just a welcome feeling. There's nothing really to worry about, just a big transition stage and having to move on or anything like that. I'm really looking forward to it." Obviously, he will be joining Eli Tomac, who I think, as far as I know, only has a supercross only deal. Probably has an option to race, motocross if he wants, whatever. And then, who knows, the least kept, worst secret, whatever you want to say, of when or if, I should say if or when, Cooper Webb ends up signing with Yamaha after he left KTM. But I don't know, it's cool for him, obviously, for Justin Cooper to already have a deal. I mean, I think it's a 1 year deal only for 2024, so it's kind of a come out and show what you got and maybe you get another one or move. But it's good for him. I mean, good for the mental of him already to have a deal set, not have to worry about it and try and find one over the off season or, find a fill-in ride or something like that. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Does he transition well to the 450s? Obviously, he is a 250 champion. Who knows? A lot of people just don't transition well, but it's kind of neat to see. And with Eli Tomac being there, he's got somebody to learn from. And if Cooper Webb moves over, he's got two, veteran, fast champions to learn from also. But in the comments below, tell me how well you think he's going to do. How well does Eli Tomac or Cooper Webb do on the Yamaha, since it's probably going to happen. But whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.